Giving a little tour, little yard tour here.
These are all plantains, as you can see.
Yeah, so I didn't think I liked plantains that much, and I started eating a bunch of plantain dishes. And then, like last night, I was trying to make mofongo back.
Oh yeah.
Oh, man, that's a good idea.
Ooh, you cooked it. Do you see? There's some grown right there too.
Yeah, we get two or three of these every year. But
Right there under the. You see
This is
them?
the healthiest it's ever been in, and I grabbed these banana trees from like
Yeah, we
side the road
replant
somewhere.
them.
Right, grab them.
Yeah, I just grabbed them and planted it.
So you guys live here year round, or?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I've been here for a year and a half now.
Oh, nice. Where are you from originally?
Georgia. It's hotter.
Georgia.
Yeah, it's hotter than Georgia than it is here. Those papayas over there. Got a lot. That's Leo. Cool cat. We got coconuts, so there's plenty of coconut trees and stuff down here. So here's the backyard. That's where I sleep right there.
This is beautiful
Unless
back
it's raining
here.
really hard, I sleep in my tent. This is a compost pile. It's all compost.
Compost pile. This is what draws the
mango tree has so much nutrients.
iguanas, and they
Soil
come
is
and
great.
they eat like the fruit skins and.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, there's one.
Whoa.
During papaya season, this thing is full of big giant iguanas.
See it, babe?
Yeah.
There he goes. Skitter, skitter.
It's like way cooler squirrels.
Ah, yeah.
Peppers back here. Yeah. Got a lot of stuff. Have you ever seen cacao?
Chocolate, they're not like in person. No.
Chocolate, yeah.
That's what they look like when they start growing up. Start out growing this cacao. There's the banana trees back here.
Mm-hmm.
That's an avocado tree right there.
Yeah.
It just got cut down last year up there.
Yeah, it's not growing avocados yet.
It,
that
it,
big
it probably
one.
won't grow avocados until next year because it's just recently cut.
Yeah, so just come back here and grab what you want.
Yeah, I mean,
Mhm. That's the goal. Ooh, and then head that way.
Head this way?
Yeah.
Like the water comes off. Yeah, we do that.
He just put down these little floor tiles. I think it kind of adds. Oh, and then these shells right here that line the path. They went to Escondida yesterday.
They did? Oh, good walk.
By the
was a big
governor's
walk.
beach house.
Great walk. Great exercise.
It was.
I don't know if we were there too late or not. One of the locals started like he just kept saying tiempo and tried to get us to get moving. I was like, I don't know who you are.
Oh, was it his
He was a-
security guard?
He was no, he was another beach goer. He was
Oh, really?
which is it? Does
He
it
was
get
trying to get you to leave?
Well, he seemed concerned for us. I was
Oh,
like, I mean,
maybe the
sun
tide was
setting.
coming in.
You could probably see that we were not from here, and it was getting dark, and we were about to get lost in the forest.
Oh, I
I'm
see.
guessing that's what
Okay.
he's doing,
Oh,
but-
that's a good point.
We found our way though.
Yeah.
I did not know about the crabs before I came here, so the first time we saw a batch of them scurl off
Uh-huh.
the pathway, I was like, the ground's moving.
Ooh, yeah. Yeah, and it was just a full moon, so there's going to be extra crab activity too.
Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah.
Should tell you that we did the kayak thing yesterday.
Oh no, I didn't know about the kayaks. Yeah, these are our tents.
It's awesome.
And we sleep out here almost every night unless it's like a super thunderstorm. But
Right.
I mean, now that I have the tarps up, it's a pretty good situation. So.
No, there's a full setup here. What do you cook on? Or do you?
I mean, we have that is set up, but we haven't used it yet. It just needs like a grill, you know,
Great. Or
yeah, a grate. Yeah.
This is beautiful back here. I'm jealous. We can't get nearly this many types of plants to grow in Iowa, unfortunately.
Yeah, I love it here in the tropics. Everything it's made to grow everything.
Oh yeah.
And look at these. These remind me of like something out of like a dinosaur
Right.
movie or
Some
something.
thick leaves. I'm assuming that's like aloe. Just
Aloe,
growing.
yes.
This is an awesome setup.
And right here, so if we had come in through that side walkway area, it's a little bit debris right now, but that's where the wild horses come and they walk. We just had a mango growing fruit season, and the horses will come and they'll bite them and just eat them right off the trees, and I get video of them almost every morning they came. And then what they did before this was cluttered is they would walk up there, go up there. If you follow that, see it goes, there's steps and it goes to the park, and that's where the horses sleep at night.
Okay.
So
we haven't
they-
seen any wild horses
Oh,
yet,
no?
so we're hoping to.
Oh,
Yeah, we used to get up.
and then here's the hammock.
Oh, yeah, we used to get up in the horizon and see horses. They could be walking.
What is this thing?
Pond? I don't know. It
What's
been
the
here
name
si-
of that
I
one?
don't know. It's been here since I've been here. It was way smaller. back
Yeah,
then.
it was.
Oh, that's beautiful, man.
And I've been trimming everything and maintaining it, designing everything.
Do you own that whole? You guys own the whole building then?
No, well, we work with Francisco, the landlord, and rent it out. That's how we're doing it. Make sure we get enough.
And then like if people come, like locals, like that, like right now this back bedroom is available, and you know, and so we could show them, you know, and yeah.
All the paint that's on me.
Well, we have.
Yeah, if you guys ever want to come stay, we got a place for you to rent.
We love this. Yeah, we like this place quite a bit actually. So.
Oh, thank you so
I
much.
was wanting to steal your. There's like a blanket thing there. That she loves.
Oh yeah, from was that from Colombia
from
or
Atlanta, from Bolivia?
Bolivia?
This is so cute.
It was a Bolivian woman. She gave that and those pineapples in there, we just cut the tops off and put them in the water. The avocado was growing in the seed already, so I just put it in water.
That's awesome.
There's our ZZ plant back there, more oregano. That's a ZZ plant.
Oh yes, we have one in our living room.
You know,
Oh no, that's the.
ZZ plant.
Yeah, I just got a couple new stocks on it.
Salmonfolia or something.
Definitely not that big. It's like
Yeah, then they're slow growers, as you know.
Not
So
in the
it's
back.
like I'm just really impressed at how great that one
Stocks
does.
about this big in a year.
Yeah.
It's just.
It's really grown since we've put it back here.
Oh yeah. Oh, this is natural climate. It's gonna.
Yep.
Placed it there. Huge pineapple. But it's great that the people here in Puerto Rico practice like permaculture and farming and gardening. That's normal here.
Oh yeah,
that.
we've
That's-
been talked to a lot.
this is such
We've had really good experiences with the people we've met here overall.
Oh yeah.
People have been very welcoming, very good.
Yes.
So
People have many different comments about Puerto Rico, but Puerto Rico is great. Very welcome.
we haven't been an issue. We obviously stick out like a sore thumb, and everyone's been really nice to us and put up with my really shitty Spanish. So
They appreciate if you try.
You're trying, they love it.
we
Yeah.
just have to learn to say, "I'm trying to learn," and then they usually heard
Yep.
it.
Bye.
Cool.
Entiendo.
Yeah, Talib taught himself near fluent Spanish within a year of being here.
When you're in it, like when you're surrounded by it.
Yeah, it's like immersion. It's like, but
Oh, yeah.
he's definitely a faster learner than I am.
Porque no, es fácil aprender.
I can understand you.
See?
It's easy to understand.
It's easy to learn.
It's not easy to speak.
I agree. I'm getting really good at reading signs and menus and things like that. So
Yeah.
Chives.
I had like an ex-boyfriend
These are
that was
culantro.
from Cadiz,
Recao.
Spain. And so my best Spanish was when I was dating him and we were speaking in Spanish.
Oh,
like,
yeah.
With his family. Like he spoke
for
perfect
everything.
English.
Oh, yeah.
Cool.
Bush out
But that was like because I was talking all the time.
Uh-huh.
But then you go back to like living in Iowa, no one speaks Spanish.
yeah.
Oh, that's
You don't get to practice speaking. You
Yeah.
Don't really read and write.
that's good though. Oh yeah. Throw that on chicken.
Anything.
Anything.
Yeah, I'm making a fettuccine Alfredo with the herbs in the garden and everything,
That sounds good.
and some spinach.
You guys have a lot of just. You can just pick your groceries right here for cooking. Honestly. most of
Yes,
them, yeah.
that's the goal.
Yeah, and this is still early, so once bananas grow and papayas grow, it's just gonna be fruit everywhere.
What's that?
I don't know. We went to what city was it?
I could-
Catalina or Carnaval?
Yeah, I picked it up at like a nursery. I was like, oh, this is so Dr. Susie.
Yeah, never
Oh,
something
the
new.
little, The tree or the
Yeah,
back
the
there?
tree.
That's cute.
Uh-huh.
What
I
is
just got it.
the?
Still got all this space
They almost
over here.
look like
Yeah.
Mushrooms?
I'm trying to decide if I want
It's some type of succulent. What do you know what those little mushroom succulents are called, babe?
those. No, they came from Maribel across the street.
Yes, they did. A lot of our things, a lot of our ornamental type plants have been, like people in the neighborhood or
Like split them?
yeah, like they'll be like, hey, I see, you know, they'll see that he's an enthusiast and they'll want to, you know, share their
Awesome.
stuff, and he'll, you know, and you know, we grow things and we'll go give it to others. So it's a great little give and take.
That's awesome. Yeah, we do that with tomatoes. That's about all we.
Yeah, that's
When I got
okay.
here,
To
you
grow.
couldn't even walk in.
And look, a passion fruit.
Yeah, I've been working on this.
It's flowered, but it hasn't grown any fruit yet. But it's not even a year old.
Wow.
Yeah, I love my passion fruit.
Oh my god. Our yard is just all tree roots. and I think it just sucks all of the water and nutrients and everything from whatever we plant. So we had to do pots and raised beds and stuff.
Are the tree roots coming out of the ground?
Yeah.
Oh, he has a cure for that, and it'll actually make everything better, and the tree roots will start growing into the ground.
Ooh.
He has a cure. Ask him about. Let's see.
Because they're like big maple trees. Because that's just what's everywhere in Des Moines.
That's why I don't have time. I toss so much shit in the backyard.
What is this?
This is just like I believe it's the same kind of palm as in the back, but it's just putting out its little nut seeds or whatever. They're not edible as far as I know. This is just a decorative.
This is edible too. I forgot what it's called. We still got to pull the name up. But
It's
all
called
these
like
things-
Puerto Rican spinach or something is what they're, what the little slang term is for it.
Goes back there too. Yeah, that's what it looked like.
There's
in
the
the backyard.
mango tree.
What you see on the right?
Just,
used to
you
look like that
guys
on the left.
just missed the last of the first mango season, and now it grows all these new red leaves, and then it'll flower, and then it grows mangoes quickly. So like within like a month or two, like it'll be ripe mangoes on there.
This is a big producer, huge producer. We had to give him what we had to give him out to people. Seriously,
Yep.
neighbors in the front, whoever wants, we just give them out because otherwise they're just gonna rot. Go straight back to the soil. Very abundant producer.
Well, give mangoes you don't want.
Oh,
Missed it.
Talib,
we got starfruit
she was
that
saying how she has big oak trees in their yard, and the roots are growing out of the ground. And I was telling her you had a.
The surface roots.
Yeah, and she said she thinks it's like taking away from all the other plants or whatever being able to grow. And I told her you had a remedy for that.
Well, where I'm from in the States, we have a sycamore tree, and my mom, where she planted it too high, so there's surface roots everywhere. So what I decided to do was just get some potting soil, cover up the surface roots, and then cover that up with straw, and then cover that up with wood chips.
Really?
And then I planted other plants around it.
And then the roots actually grew back down into the ground,
They
right?
just need to be covered. They need to be covered. The roots need to be covered. Unless it's a plant that needs surface roots, they really need to be covered.
Which none of those oaks do.
No.
No. We had a maple in the backyard too. All
Yeah,
that's
'cause
covered
they're
up with
just
straw.
like sucking nutrients out of it,
Yeah.
like the
We've
areas
got
are
like
in.
5 or 6 that are probably this size on either side of our yard.
Okay.
They like line the property lines in Des Moines. That's how they used to do the property lines. Was like tree to tree.
No, 'cause I
But
tried to grow a peach tree last year and it completely overtook it and killed
yeah,
it.
and that
Y'all
was
can grow
like
peaches in Des Moines?
it was like over here.
Yeah. It's challenging. Like a lot of the stuff to grow there is really challenging just because the soil acidity is not meant for
Well,
it.
they're not
And the
great
humidity.
trees. They're like transplants. They're always like transplanted onto Asian pear trees.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they're grafted. That's what I. Yeah.
You may have the potential, but like the humidity is not like the climate's not great for it. It's so inconsistent with the winters we get there and everything else. So you really have to like constantly be on.
What about apples?
You can grow
Way
apples.
better,
Yeah.
hardier.
There's a bunch of apple orchards in Iowa.
And cherries?
I've seen a couple. I've
You
seen.
think cherries?
My grandma has a cherry tree.
Oh.
Yeah, they grow. They're not as good as the apples. Grow really well. I haven't seen plums, honestly.
I don't.
We have tons of apple orchards. That's like
There's
the
not
thing.
a ton of citrus.
Of course not.
Oh no,
My dad had a lemon tree
sucks
when I
'cause
was
that's what I would
growing up,
like, you know?
but it had to be taken inside.
Yeah.
Fresh lemon tree or something.
it
We
gets
use
to, like,
lemon on everything.
Negative 50 on a bad
Closer to
day.
the equator,
Oh, yeah.
the more citrus you gonna get.
And we got like it's just not even a possibility. Oddly enough, though, I didn't know we had vineyards in Iowa, so we have grapes growing and stuff there now.
If this grows, take this back with you. Should be a soursop seed.
Ooh.
Oh.
What's he say? Stop me.
One seed.
No.
No.
Put it in your wallet.
One
What is
seed.
it?
Soursop. Guanabana.
Soursop.
But it has been out in the heat, so.
It's good. It's dry. It's dry. Still might
Okay.
make it. It's a good idea.
Wrapping in white paper.
Rosemary here too. We'll grow rosemary.
What do you think? Wrapping in wet paper towel, let it sprout first, plant.
I just put it in the soil.
You guys
And
better
I got one in the, I got one in the backyard. You just put it in the soil. Man, with the rosemary.
Soursop.
Get you some smell good. So.